Guys, welcome to another video. Recently I was reading an article about Bitcoin and Ethereum. I was thinking, why don't I will share you, because I wanted reading it recently, so I on Cointelegraph. So in today's video I'm going to give you instant report why the article was written by Joseph Young. He mentioned that why Bitcoin. He mentioned 5 reasons that Bitcoin and Ethereum plummeted 50% in a single day. So I decided, why don't I share with you? So he explained that Bitcoin and Ethereum fell 50% and 20% respectively in a one day, but why so much and so quickly? Here you may mention a point that the price of the BTC or Bitcoin and Ethereum ETH fell by 15% and 20% respectively on April 23 as the cryptocurrency market became engulfed in a major correction. Five factors likely caused the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum to steeply drop in a single day, including mass liquidation, overheated future market, and disciplined of kimchi premier, whale selling, and Biden tax. What man Biden tax? I already made a video Biden tax. If you haven't watched, just go and watch. Whale selling, kimchi premium, the discipline, and future market overheated liquidations. Okay, so overcrowded future market sees that $44 billion worth of liquidation on April 23 in a 24-hour span. That the cryptocurrency market saw over 4 billion worth position liquidated. According to Bybit.com, a data analytics platform, the Bitcoin market is currently majority short, with short position accounting for around 54%. Binance BTC future open data source Bybit.com. So if you want to see the article, you can go and visit cointelegraph.com and I will mention a link in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed, just go and subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon, because I will regularly upload instant updates about coins. Okay, further he says that this suggests that in the past the billions worth of the long position were liquidated, leaving a lot of short positions. Open data also shows that the open interest of the Ethereum future market reached the all-time high on the CME, indicating that the Ethereum futures market was also getting overcrowded. The open interest of the Bitcoin futures similarly spiked before the BTC dropped. Now both and BTC are better in a position to recover because their open interest have collectively dropped. Bitcoin is a particular size future open interest dropped to level unseen since March 8 on Binance, which consistently records the highest relative trading volume for BTC. Kimchi premium hits 0%. Okay, so here he further mentioned that as the price of the Bitcoin Ethereum plummeted, the Kimchi premium, the South Korea fell back down 0%. The premium now is over 4%, but the South Korean cryptocurrency exchange market saw a steep sale of falling a negative statement from the nation's financial watchdogs. On April 22, Yeon Song-so, the financial commission of the South Korea, said that the government is taxing cryptocurrency, but they are not financial assets to the government, would not protect them. The unexpected statement from South Korea financial watchdogs likely lead to a major sale of the South Korean cryptocurrency exchange market, causing the kimchi premium to collapse. So small to medium-sized whales are selling. On April 20, the material indicator teams whose tracks the trade flow of a Bitcoin on major exchange said that the small medium-sized whales were selling. The analysis said, while 1 million people keeping buying dips, no matter what, 100k to 1 million guys have set lower highs and lower lows on their order flow. Okay, here's another point. He mentioned that the trend was particularly significant because the large whales were accumulating Bitcoin in the same period. The selling pressure put on by small to medium-sized whales were selling between $1,000 to 1 million worth. Bitcoin on the major exchange intensified the short-term downturn of Bitcoin. And in the main point, Biden tax concerns. The timing of the Bitcoin price plunge also considered with the release of President Joe Biden pledge to raise tax on wealthy individuals. Already I mentioned in a video 2 days that I uploaded about BTC. The US stock market dropped as the Dow Jones declined at the more than 1% of the April 21st single trading session. Holger Z. Capital in the market analysis said that at the time, ouch, down, plunges 400 points on the fears of the higher capital gain taxes. BBG reports that Biden is planning a capital tax hike to as a 43.4% for the wealthy American proposal would high capital gains rate to the 39.6% for those who are earning 1 million from up from 20% currently. And here's another reason that I would like to mention. It was the Turkey. Maybe Turkey also banned on a cryptocurrency, especially on a Bitcoin. It was also a big reason for dip in BTC. Okay, so I think was a good time to buy dip. I also think that you have purchased the dip, and also purchased some coins, and big alt rally is coming soon. So I will upload it on my channel when it is going to become, and maybe after 1 month there will be a big dip coming in the market. So be patient and check the regular graphs then. And I also suggest you, it's not my financial advice. Buy and sell at your own scale. And also I recommend you to buy that you can afford to lose. I will see you in another video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, just go click on the bell icon. Also subscribe and also share your feedback. And I also, in last, thank you Mr. Coin Telegraph and Joseph Young for uploading this article and sharing what was the reason.